Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Lillis. Today we are going to be reviewing partial quotients division. I posted a different link for long division. That's a math antics video. And in my opinion, when there's a double digit divisor, like here, 38 is the divisor and it's double digits, 2 digits, I think that partial quotients can be a little bit easier. So I'm just going to demonstrate how to do this. There are other videos you can find online, and I'm sure you remember doing this earlier in the year. But the first step, remember, the problem would be 4,394 divided by 38. So when it's written horizontally, you'll see this number listed first. But for partial quotients, the first step is to draw a line going down. If you have graph paper, that's great, but if you don't, it's okay. And what we do is, remember, partial quotients, you're thinking that it's in parts. So we're splitting it into different parts. So I think, what can I multiply times 38 to get close to 4,394? Now think of your extended facts. Think about all of the, fact families that you know. If I, thinking about extended facts, if I multiplied times 10, that's a good one to try to start with, like times 10 or times 5. Times 2, numbers that you know how to work with easily. That would be 380. So if I had 380 here and then I subtracted, it would take me a lot of steps. So I'm going to try to get a little larger than that. And I'm thinking, well, times 10 is 380, times 100 would be, so whatever you're multiplying by, you put over here. 38 times 100 would be 3,800. So that is much closer than 380. So we're subtracting 4 minus 0, 4, 9 minus 0, 9, 3 minus 8, you can't do it, so make this a 3. And then we have 13 minus 8 is 5. Okay, so now we have 594. So that's pretty good. We knocked down a lot. Now we have to think again. What can I multiply times 38 to get close to 594? And use extended facts. I think 10 is a great one to start with because we know 38 times 10 is 380. So we subtract, 4 minus 0 is 4, 9 minus 8, 1, 5 minus 3, 2. So now I have 214. So I'm getting there, okay? So I could say, oh, let's try to do 10 again. But if I did 10 again, I'd have 380. You can't do that. So if 10 is too big, I suggest try 5, okay? Now you might be saying, oh, I don't know what 38 times 5 is. Well, you can do it off to the side. There's nothing wrong with that. Some of you may be able to do this in your head, but if you have to do it off on the side, that's okay. 8 times 5, 40. 3 times 5, 15, plus 4, 19. So if I did times 5, I'm just gonna go like this because this is like my extra work on the side. 38 times 5 is 190. Now look at that. I got pretty close. 4 minus 0, 4. 1 minus 9, you can't do it, so you cross this out, make this a 1, and this becomes an 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. So I know I can stop now because my remainder, this is my remainder, is smaller than my divisor. 24 is less than 38. So what I'll do is I'll add these up. 100 plus 10 plus 5, 115. And my answer would be 115 remainder 24. Now I've told my students, when you're in 6th grade, the teachers really would like you to not write the R24. A better answer would be 115 and 24 over 38. And you can even reduce that, but showing it as a fraction, 24 is your remainder, that's your numerator, 38 is your denominator, that's your divisor. Okay, you could reduce that also though. So, think about practicing this. You may even want to watch this video that I just showed you more than once. And then there are 3 practice problems to do on the slides. So try those out and you're going to type your answer in the box. So you're going to need paper. Make sure you get paper and something to write with. And then the exit slip will be checking also 3 more problems. So you do it on scratch paper, type your answers in the boxes. Okay? And ask us any questions along the way. Good luck!